Hi there, this is our TOS universal knee type milling machine. Quite a heavy duty mill. It came out of a government department training centre. It's got the horizontal drive there and the right angle single axis head on it. You can also get some accessories for these that we've got in stock. This one's in good working order. It's got some good features with the feeds and rapids in all the three axes, and your dual controls for your table at the front and the rear. So all the sides good. You've got your oil pump over here and your sight glass, etc. Your feeds. These feeds are nice and easy to adjust. You've got your start up there, and then your controls here, and then your controls back there. It's got the limit switches on it, etc. So the machine's pretty tidy for its age. That table's in good condition and nice to move back and forward. The vertical's nice, up and down, feels real good. And that cross feels nice as well. With very little movement in all of them really. So all those axes feel good by hand. I'll start it up. So when you put the power on, it turns the oil pump on. I'll turn that coolant pump on. We don't have any coolant in it, but that's that coolant pump running. That's in reverse, so that's that spindle running there in reverse. And you can change that direction here, forward. Running and forward. You've got your controls here, a neutral position, that position there which is for your vertical knee up and down, so that's feed and rapid down, and feed going up. It's feeding up at the moment, and now rapid going up. And then you change that there to the table, feed coming towards me, and now rapid. And neutral, feed going that way, and rapid, and last one which is the table going in, feed, rapid, and feed coming out, and rapid. You can change those speeds, like I say, that's that table going in a lot slower speed now. Those feeds are nice and easy to change. So that's pretty much the feeds and the rapids. They're all working nicely. So I'll take you through the gear range. We were on 45 then. Next one is 63. I'll take that in a bit closer. So that's 63. 90. Take you through to the next gear range now. 125. 180. 250. Next range, that'll be 355. 500. 710. Last range, and that would be 1000. 1400. And one to go, which will be the top speed 2000. So those are the speed ranges there. It's nice and easy to change through all the ranges and gears and speeds, etc. The head's running nice and quiet. So yeah, a real pleasure to use. They're a well made, heavy duty machine with good features and with all those feeds and rapids, and this one's all ready to go.